Hello, how to solve this nice math problem? We want to find the missing side and angle from this given nice math problem. Then we have angle A, angle B, and angle C. So here is side A, which is 20 meter. Then side B is given, which is 11 meter. But side C is not given. So we need to find the value of side C here. We need to find the value of angle A here and angle C here, because angle A has been given, which is 33 degrees. Now solution. In this type of problem, we are going to make use of what we call sine rule. Now here we have angle B is equal to 33 degrees. Now we have side B is equal to 11 meter. Then we have side A is equal to 20 meter. So angle A is unknown. Angle C is unknown. Then side C is unknown. Now by sine rule, now let's solve for A. Let's solve for angle A. We have sine A over A is equal to sine B over B. So this is sine A over A is 20 is equal to sine B, that is 33 over B is 11. Then here we have 11 sine A is equal to 20 sine 33 degrees. Then we have sine A is equal to 20 sine 33 degrees divided by 11. Sine A is equal to 20 multiplied by sine 33, that is 0.5446 divided by 11. Now sine A is equal to 20 multiplied by 0.5446 divided by 11, that will be 0.9902. Now we are looking for the angle A now. Angle A will be equal to sine inverse of 0.9902. Angle A will be equal to 82.0 degree. This is the value of angle A. We've got the value of angle A here, which is 82 degree. Then here we need to get the value of angle C in order to find the value of C, side C here. So then from here, angle C is equal to, now the total is, we have 80 minus angle A is 82 plus angle B is 33 degree. Then angle C will be equal to 180 minus 82 degree plus 33 degree, that is 115 degree. Therefore, angle C will be equal to 180 minus 115, that is 65 degree. This is the value of angle C. We've gotten the value of angle C here, which is 65 degree. Now, since this is 65 degree, we'll be able to solve for side C here using also the same sine rule. By sine rule, we have sine C over C will be equal to sine B over B. Then here we have sine C is 65 degree over C is unknown, is equal to sine B is 33 degree over B is 11. Then here we have C is equal to 11 sine 65 degree divided by sine 33 degree. C is equal to 11 multiplied by 0.9063 divided by here is 0.5446. Then side C is equal to 18.31 meter. This is the value of side C. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.